Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial with software designs. Today we'll be teaching how to design a Valentine card using Canva. Forget this is not the working environment for Canva. Let's dive into straight to the Canva environment. If you don't have Canva, you can go straight and then type Canva to open. Then click enter. You now open to your workspace. Let's wait for it to open as you can see from here. And as it's opening like this, you type, you find out, let's say, come to create, let's give it an artboard. Yes, create. And then from here you can see, just write Valentine card. Then click enter. From the opening, you have different Valentine cards you would like to design. And then go straight to the first you see here. Let's click on it. It's opening. This is the working environment, the white artboard. And then these are beautiful Valentine cards you can design for your spouse, you can design for your family member, your loved one. And then click here. I particularly love this one. Yes, but we have others. Okay, let's come back. Let's pick. I think let's pick this one. This is very simple. I want to design, and then from here you can. It's already giving us the vibe of a Valentine vibe already. So now from here you can readjust this. This is the Valentine card. But we want to add the name of that particular person. We want to wish the person happy Valentine. Then copy this and paste. Copy and paste, then say Joshua. Happy birthday, Joshua. Then let's resize it because I think it's on top of the order. Let's try to select the smaller one down. And then happy birthday, Joshua. You have a very simple design. And from here, if you want to save it, you press Ctrl E. Then to ask you to save, you say show more. Then you click on download. For this download now, it will ask you whether you want to save it as transparent background, you want to save like that. You just click on download to download automatically as PNG, and then you can find it in your download folder. The moment you go to your download folder, click here, you open. Look at our Valentine card that we have successfully designed. Let it open. Yes, this is our Valentine card. You can do this numerous thousands of them for your loved ones. Thank you, and subscribe for more of it.